Hi everyone! So today we're going to learn about the delicious and fascinating fruit, the pineapple. Pine- Pineapple, or scientifically known as Ananas commosus, is a tropical fruit crop widely cultivated for its sweet and juicy flesh. It is an important fruit in the global market, known for its versatility in culinary and industrial applications. Pineapple production is concentrated in tropical and subtropical regions, with major producers including the Philippines, Thailand, Costa Rica, and Indonesia. The fruit is used fresh, canned, and processed into juice, jam, and dried snacks. Additionally, various byproducts such as pineapple fiber and enzymes like bromelain and are extracted for industrial uses. Understanding the ecological requirements, agronomic practices, and post-harvest processing of pineapple is essential for maximizing yield and profitability. Let's dive into how a pineapple is grown, what it needs to thrive, and the different ways we use this versatile fruit. Tropical and subtropical countries like Indonesia, the Philippines, and Costa Rica are leading pineapple producers. In 2022, the world produced a staggering 29 million of pineapples. Wow! What happens to all that pineapple? So now, let's move on to the next slide. So, saan nga ba natin ginagamit ang pineapple? So, ginagamit natin ang pineapple as a fresh consumption. Pineapples are widely consumed fresh in the Philippines, enjoyed as snack or fruit salad ingredient. Second, juice production. Pineapple juice is a popular beverage, both locally and internationally. Next, canned products. Canned pineapple is a common ingredient in desserts, salads, and savory dishes, and other processed products. Pineapple is also used in jams, wines, powders, and frozen products. So, next slide. So, ano nga ba ang makukuha nating byproduct sa pineapple? So, unang-una sa picture ay ang pineapple juice. The juice is extracted from the fruit and is popular beverage consumed both locally and internationally. Next, pineapple jam. The fruit is processed into jam, a sweet spread enjoyed with bread and other foods. Next picture, pineapple wine. Pineapple can be fermented to produce wine, an alcoholic beverage. Last, clothes from pineapple fiber. The fiber from the pineapple plant can be used to create clothing and other textile products. This demonstrates the sustainable use of entire plant. The primary products na makukuha natin sa pineapple ay ang prutas niya mismo. The fruit's flesh is rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin C, and contains enzymes like bromelain, which aids digestion and has potential anti-inflammatory benefits. Its sweet and tangy flavor makes it a popular choice for both fresh consumption and in various processed forms. Ecological requirements, or kung ano nga ba ang kailangan ng pineapple para mabuhay siya. Pineapple loves warm and humid climates with well-drained sandy loam soil. It also needs a pH between 4.5 and 6.0, an annual rainfall of 1,000 to 1,500 mm. The temperature should be between 24 and 32 degrees Celsius. It's like a princess. It's one of the perfect conditions. Agronomic practices. Under agronomic practices, we have land preparation and planting, nutrition and fertilization, pest and disease management, irrigation and weed control. Land preparation and planting. Thorough land preparation is crucial. This involves cleaning weeds, rocks, and debris, followed by deep plowing and harrowing to create a fine tilt. Planting can be done using crowns, slips, or suckers, with slips often preferred for their earlier flowering. Nutrition and fertilization. Pineapples are relatively heavy feeders, requiring significant amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Fertilization strategies usually involve a base application before planting, followed by maintenance applications during vegetative growth, Organic amendments like compost or manure enhance soil fertility and nutrient availability. Pest and disease management. Pineapples are susceptible to various pests and diseases. Common pests include mealybugs, nematodes, and fruit flies. Diseases such as heart rot, anthracnose, and yellow spot virus can significantly impact yields. Integrated pest management strategies, including biological control and chemical applications, are essential for minimizing losses. Irrigation and weed control. Adequate irrigation is crucial, especially during dry periods. Drip irrigation is often preferred for its efficiency. Weed control is equally important as weed compete with pineapple plants for resources. Mulching helps suppress weed growth and conserve soil moisture. Harvesting and processing. Harvest when firm and mature, using a clean cut with shears or a knife, leaving 5 to 7 cm of the stalk attached, and handle gently to avoid bruising. After harvest, pull the pineapples quickly, sort and grade them, and store them properly to maintain quality and extend shelf life. Common threats to pineapple production and management strategies. Pineapple weevil. This beetle burrows into the stem, weakening the plant and potentially leading to its death. Nutrient deficiencies. Inadequate levels of essential nutrients, particularly potassium, can affect the plant health and yield. Competition. Competition from other fruit producers can affect market share. Heart rot, a fungal disease caused by waterlogged conditions leading to rotting at the base and plant death.